When it comes to warehouse management, it all comes down to controlling costs while making sure the right items are always in stock. And that takes real-time visibility into your inventory. That's where Radley Inventory Control can help. We eliminate spreadsheets and manual data entry, streamlining your inventory management and filling the gaps in your existing ERP or backend systems. Whether you have inventory at multiple locations or need more control at a detailed and granular level, control your inventory in a way that works for you. Configure our solution to your specific industry or workflow. Connect a diverse workforce with our multi-language interface. Change field names easily, and tailor each dashboard to showcase real-time reporting based on metrics that matter. Select from multiple units of measurement and conversions so you can see exactly what's been received and finished. Plus, role-based security features give team members access to specific data and transaction approvals. With one click, Radley installs across all levels of your organization, meaning everyone can stay on top of what's moving immediately. Get control of your inventory with a flexible, real-time solution from Radley.